Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few popcorn hacks sent by you all and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @HungerPlans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. I know मेरा और popcorn का 36 का आंकड़ा है, but let's see if that changes. So for the first tag, in a pan I'm adding 1 chocobar ice cream, 1 packet of Act 2 popcorn. I'm using the regular buttered flavor. You can use anything you like. 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it once. Cover it with the lid and now just wait. I'm going to shake it in between so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Almost after 8 minutes, the popcorn kernels started popping. Now remove the lid. Looks burnt from the bottom, so I'm going to taste upar wala popcorn. Okay, the taste is like a regular popcorn because it didn't get mixed with the melted ice cream. Now just have a look at this ice cream stick. It's super burnt. Basically, the melted ice cream has burnt completely. The main chocolate flavor of the ice cream is only not there on the popcorn. So for me, this hack was busted. The next hack looks sensible to me. In a pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of kernels, 1 tablespoon oil and mix it. Cover with a lid. We are making plain popcorn, which is very simple. It started popping also within a minute, so the kernels are good. There's no problem with that. Open the lid and keep it aside. In a different pan, I'm adding few green gummies which I could find. And yes, I'm wearing a gummy ring as it reminded me of my bachpan. We used to wear fake gummy rings a lot. Now in the gummies, I'm adding 2 tablespoons water. I couldn't find more green gummies, so we'll work with this only. Let it melt for a minute or two. Then I'm adding the popcorn and mix it in. Though there's no intense green color like that video, the popcorn is very sticky and has a gummy-like texture. The taste is also nice. It's sweet and sour. It's a bit soft from the outside and very crunchy from the inside, which is very unique and amazing. So for me, this hack was a success. For the next hack, in the pan I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon corn kernels, 1 teaspoon sugar and mix it. Then I'm adding 1/4 cup of Coca-Cola. I don't know why I'm getting this face. I guess that's because of the oil and not the Coke. It's been almost 10 minutes and the cola is just not reducing. So now I'm going to cover it with the lid and just wait. I'm also keeping a timer so that I also know how long does it take. Surprisingly, the kernels started popping within 2.5 minutes. Now all the kernels are popped, but sadly the sugar in the cola got burnt. It's sticky and black like the video. The taste is very bitter. I don't know why I tasted it even when the entire bottom was burnt. It legit looks like tar जो road बनाने में use करते हैं. So honestly for me it is not working and it's busted. Okay, the next hack looks very interesting. In a coca, I'm adding 3 tablespoon oil, 2 to 3 tablespoon of whole moong dal, 1 tablespoon sugar and mix it for a minute. Cover it with a cooker lid without whistle and wait till it pops. I'm also shaking it in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. It's been almost 8 minutes and I can't hear any popping. So let's open the cooker. Okay, as you can clearly see, the green moong dal has completely become black. There's smoke all over the kitchen. I can't even taste it because it didn't pop only. Usually I think I must have done something wrong or I tried to find a solution, but honestly I think this hack doesn't work and it was completely fake. For the next hack, in a pan I'm adding 2 tablespoon corn kernels, 1/4 cup of chopped watermelon, 1 teaspoon oil and mix till the watermelon dissolves. I don't know how that is possible, but let's see. Even after I cut the watermelon in small pieces, it didn't turn into juice, obviously. And the face was like the one in the Coca-Cola hack, so definitely it was oil ka hi face. Cover it with the lid and shake it a bit in between. Hardly any kernels have popped, and the watermelon has also got charred from all the sides. I don't know why I have a feeling that it will work, so I'm going to try it again. This time with even smaller pieces of watermelon. And also I added 2 tablespoons instead of 1/4, and I'm adding less oil as well. Okay, the kernels started popping within 2.5 minutes, which is great. Cover it with the lid and again let's wait. Within 5 minutes, all the kernels pop. Remove the lid and finally it's not burnt for the first time. There's a bit of char on the watermelon, but it's fine. Definitely there was no watermelon juice, nor did it turn pink. But the taste of the popcorn was normal, and with the watermelon also it is okayish. So for me this hack was a 50-50. For the next hack, in the pan I'm adding 1/4 cup of raw rice, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it, cover it with the lid and let's wait. Within a minute only the rice started becoming brown. I shake the pan in between. In the video it was looking they made murmura with rice, which actually is possible, but the process is completely different. For murmura, salt is used to puff up the rice. I don't know how with oil they puff the rice. Even after 5 minutes, not a single grain of rice has popped. Instead, it got completely burnt from one side. I'm really feeling guilty and very sad for wasting so much food. So please don't try these fake hacks at home. And this hack was busted. For the next hack, in the pan I'm adding orange ice candy, 2 tablespoon corn kernels, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix till the ice candy melts. Remove the ice cream stick and cover it with a lid. Now I'm going to just wait. I've also started a timer here. Again, I'm going to shake it in between. So after 6 minutes, it started popping. It took almost 8 minutes for most of the kernels to pop, and yet again the ice cream candy is burnt. I can only see one orange popcorn, so I'm going to taste it. That was a major regret. It's burnt and there's no orange flavor. It's extremely bitter. The popcorn is also stuck to the pan, so for me this hack was busted. For the next hack, in the pan I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon corn kernels and mix. Before even covering it with a lid, the kernels started popping. Anyway, I'm adding 2 tablespoons Sprite. Now cover and let's see when the kernels pop. After 5 minutes, they started popping. Okay, they are definitely not turning green, and again it's burnt and I tasted it. It was very bitter. My throat is literally hurting now eating all the burnt popcorn. I wish I could show you the smoke in this room, which is making us feel suffocated. Yet again, this hack is not working for me, so it was busted. Among 8 hacks, only 1 hack was successful and 1 was 50-50, and this is how much popcorn I wasted today, and it breaks my heart. I still can't figure out if I did the hacks wrong or the hacks are just fake. Let me know what you think about the hacks in the comment section below. Today's shout out goes to Purvi Bagadia, Janki Sriram, Kushal Vupula, Priyanshi Gupta, The Confused Girl, Suhail Ahmed, Miss Pihu and Prapti Agarwal. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.